I created a 3D animation video in just a few minutes. Yes, you heard that right. And the best part, I only used two free applications. One for generating a 3D cartoon image and another for turning it into a full animation video. In today's digital age, AI-powered tools are popping up everywhere. Make it easier than ever to create viral animation content, just like this one.
On a warm, sunny afternoon, a boy named Leo ran across the open field, his laughter echoing in the air. The grass swayed gently under the breeze, and the sky above was a perfect shade of blue. Running right beside him was his loyal dog, Max, a playful golden retriever with ears flopping as he sprinted. Leo came to a sudden stop, crouching down to hide in a patch of flowers. "Bet you can't find me now," he giggled, peeking through the stems. Max, panting and wagging his tail.
This type of videos are taking over the internet because not only are they super fun and eye-catching, they are also becoming a great way to earn money online. You will see them all over Reels, Shorts, and other social platforms. In this video, I will walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how I created this viral 3D cartoon animation using only free tools. So stick around until the end, you won't want to miss a single detail. Let's get started. First, you need to create a short script. But to make it easier for you, we will use an AI-powered tool to generate our short story. We will use ChatGPT to speed things up. Just describe the kind of short story you want and the characters you would like to include. For example, can you create a short story about a boy and a dog playing in a field? And ChatGPT will instantly generate a story for you. If you think the script is too long, just type "make it short" and it will give you a shorter version. Once you are satisfied with the story, just highlight it and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. For the second step, open the Canva application or website. On the left side, you will see Dream Lab option. After clicking on it, paste the short story you copied from ChatGPT. At the bottom, you also have the option to add an image for guidance. Next, under the Smart option, just select your preferred style. There are options like cinematic concept, creative, and many others. In the last option, you can choose the aspect ratio you want, whether portrait or landscape. Once everything is set, just click Create. Wait for a few minutes, and the generated images will appear below. Now, you have a portrait 3D animation image. On the bottom left, click the Download button. As you can see, I also tried generating a landscape image. Now, for the last step, I will show you the free application or website that lets you generate a 3D animation video from an image. Reminder, this video is not sponsored by any of the websites or applications shown here. So go to your browser and search for Runway ML Gen 2. On the top right, click Get Started. After clicking, just log in. And on the home page, click Generate Video. On the left side, drop the image or video that you want to turn into animation. Once the image uploads, you will see a duration option, either 5 or 10 seconds. Then click Generate. Your generation is processing and will start in a few minutes. While waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's try to play it to see if it becomes a video. Wow! With just a few simple steps, we can already create a 3D animation video. I even tried another one. Let's play it. Wow, amazing! The image to 3D animation video came out really smooth. And once you're satisfied, just click the download MP4 file type. In my next video, I'll be sharing some secret Canva applications that you probably didn't know about. Just click on this video right here, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.